Hello everyone, today we have another recipe for you. This is a spicy chicken curry. It's very simple. All you have to do is blend or chop most of the ingredients, and I'm going to put them in the food processor here. If you don't have a processor, you can also use a blender or the bullet just to combine everything. Okay, the ingredients that you're going to be needing: 1 medium onion, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 jalapeno chopped. You're gonna need the garam masala spice, ground cumin, also gonna need cloves. You're only gonna need from 2 to 4. I'm gonna put 3 of them. I got 2 here, but I'm gonna put 3 of them. You're also gonna need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 4 potatoes, the chicken, of course. I'm using bread, and I'm going to be cutting it in pieces. But if you want, you can buy chicken that comes in pieces, like the thigh, the drumstick, but I'd rather use this one. I mean, I have some of it in the refrigerator and I need to use it. You're also going to need salt, any kind of salt you have. If you have kosher salt, even better. And that's about it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just cut the onion up a little bit, and the jalapenos, cut them up a little bit, because we're gonna mix that together. Okay, I put 1 extra garlic, so a total of 7 cloves of garlic. And in goes the jalapeno, the 1 jalapeno. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the onion. And I've saved some of the onions, and I'm just gonna put them when I cook the chicken, like that whole, but like half of them are in the processor. Okay, now we're gonna add the tablespoon of the garam masala, 1 tablespoon of that. Let's see, I've never tasted this before. So that's more or less a tablespoon. Okay, and half a teaspoon of the ground cumin. And last but not least, the 3 cloves. Okay, so this is what it should look like. It's like a paste, and it smells absolutely delicious. It smells really, really good. So that's what it should look like, a paste. Okay, now we're gonna prepare the chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the chicken in chunks, not too small. I'm cooking some rice. I'm cooking some white rice to go with a spicy curry chicken. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the other one. El es rico, es arroz que está oliendo. Arroz blanco. Delicious. Yeah, but this quick. It's real quick. Oh, I'm recording. Okay, so I already cut all the chicken. It was 1.5 pounds of breast. So there it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and peel the potatoes. Okay, so this is the last potato. I have to cut a little piece that it's not very pretty. Okay, those are the 4 potatoes. Okay, now in a big pot, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the vegetable oil. 1 and 2. Okay, so we're gonna turn the heat, put it on high. The oil is hot. We're gonna add the paste in there. The paste we made in the food processor with the jalapeno, the garlic, and the garam masala. Oh, wow. Smells really good. Okay, now I'm going to add the curry powder. I'm just going to eyeball it. It's half a teaspoon, but I'm just going to eyeball it. Actually, ooh, that smell of curry. Okay, I'm also gonna now add the onions that I reserved that I didn't put in the food processor. I'm gonna add them in here too. I had some extra ones that were already cooked in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna add them too. So the ones that I reserved plus some that I had from something I had left over that I cooked. I had some fried onions, and I put those in here too. Can never have too many onions. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water in here. just 1/4 cup for now. Later we're gonna add more water. It's just so we can make a little bit of a sauce and stir up those flavors. I lowered it to medium. The heat, I lowered it to medium. So let it just cook there for about a minute or two. Okay, I raised the stove to high because I'm getting ready to put the chicken in. Okay, and we're also going to add the potatoes. And we're going to add 2 or 3 cups of water. Let me just, here's 1 cup of water, 2. So let me see how that looks. I haven't added salt yet. I'm going to do that in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna add another cup of water because I want a lot of sauce in this. Since we're gonna eat it with a white rice. Okay, 3 cups of water. And now we're gonna go ahead and make sure that the chicken is well covered. And we're just gonna let it cook there for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna lower the heat. Once it starts simmering, I'm gonna lower the heat to medium. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the salt. The salt is to taste. I'm not gonna put too much of it. If we need more, we'll put some later, but I don't wanna make it salty. It's already simmering. So let's stir everything up here. Since it's simmering already, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in medium and I'm gonna cover it. Cover it just like that. Okay, so let's check and see the potatoes. Let's leave it like about 5 more minutes. Okay, so let's turn this off and let me serve the rice. And let's serve the chicken. It's a little bit too watery, I think. Too watery. We'll see what the taste says. Yeah, too watery. I should have just added 2 cups of water instead of 3. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna see what it tastes like. So this is my plate. Okay, Ivan. Now
my hair's a little messy.
Okay, Ivan. So I know for sure that it's too watery.
What's watery?
The chicken, the
chicken.
Yeah,
That's not watery. That's juicy.
Okay, juicy. Let's call it juicy. But I should have put 2 cups of water instead of 3 that I put.
It's better than the chicken being dry.
Oh, yeah. Or taste it and let us know. I haven't tasted mine, but let's see it on. Is it good?
Excellent.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna taste mine and then I'm gonna give you my opinion.
Even the potatoes are cooked with the curry?
Yeah, yeah. Everything is cooked with except the rice. Everything is cooked with a curry.
And for those who like spicy food, maybe you could put a little bit of some spicy in there.
Is it hot? Because it has jalapeno.
It does?
It has one jalapeno complete. But I took out the seeds from the jalapeno. If you want it to be spicy, you can leave the seeds in the food processor. Maybe that's why it's not spicy.
It's pretty good. Not bad.
So this is my plate. I tasted it. It's kind of dry. I find it kind of dry. But that's probably because it's the bread. If you made this with a regular just bone, the chicken with a bone, and the thigh, the drumstick, it probably would not be this dry. And another thing, it needs a little bit of salt, and the other thing is too soupy. I should have added only 2 cups of water instead of 3. But the taste is good. The taste is good, and just, if you want to make it, just make those little adjustments, and I'm sure it'll taste really, really good. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other video. And until the next time, bye bye. Bye bye bye.